Okay, London session done. Took a couple trades. We'll go over them straight away. Took one trade on gold. Daily, weekly, monthly breakout levels all bullish. We're in a strong bullish trend right now on gold. However, yesterday we faked out the previous week high a couple times, and we've also faked out the previous day high, and we closed as a bearish fake out. So this is a fake out level. I'm bullish above, bearish below. Took a nice trade in Asia, faking out the H4 high right below this fake out level. Took it straight down to the previous day low. And in between my session time, there was a nice trade, but I wasn't watching the charts. Fake out of previous day low, going in the higher time frame trend, take it back up. Uh, Again, I wasn't trading at this time, but at London Open, when I'm looking at the charts, we set up pretty much identical to the Asia setup, except this time faking out the H8 high right at that fake out level. So this M15 bar right here, it's a false breakout bar. It flipped the last bullish breakout level, but it did not close as a bearish breakout bar. So there's no confirmation that this is a change in bias of this time frame. But whenever I see this flip of a breakout level, I'm always going to have a look at the chart. So once London opened, pulled back, and I entered as price broke below that M15 bar, turning the M15 into a breakout, bearish breakout, and I took it straight down to the previous day low. Um, yeah, so uh, took full profit on this one because higher time frames are bullish. However, that being said, I do like the fact that we faked out the previous week high a couple times, and so I might possibly be looking for a well, I'm going to see how price reacts in New York, but this would be a nice time to possibly look for a full-on reversal. So, uh, not calling out any signals, but just my mindset right now is because we faked out the previous week high a couple times. I want to see how price reacts here, and I might be looking for continuations in New York if it gets below the previous day low. Um, yeah, so that was one trade I took. The other trade I took was on Euro USD. Did my forex watch list as per usual. There were a couple that I were interested in. The main ones I was looking at was Euro USD and GBP USD. The reason why is because it did not fake out the previous day high or previous day low. GU almost did, but technically did not. So I was looking for a trend retracement setup. The signal day for today is a trend continuation signal day. So I'm looking for low of the day buys on both of these. And so we got that right here on Euro USD. Trend retracement setup. Previous H8 low fake out. Got that previous H8 low fake out here. Low of the day. Low of the day. Previous day's high is untriggered. Didn't trigger the previous day high. And going in the direction of the day breakout level. Day breakout level is right here. So ended up taking this straight on the M15, straight up to the previous day high. It's a trend continuation signal day. So the idea is I'm looking for the higher time frames to continue pushing this move up. So I'm looking for a low of the day buy, and that's exactly what I got. And that is it. Did not trade anything else. Oil, I was looking for a sell on oil, but I preferred it coming up to the previous day high. Reason is because uh, on the higher time frames, on the monthly levels, we're below the monthly breakout level, and we're faking out the previous week high. That's a breakout continuation setup to take this down. I was waiting for a fake out of the previous day high, but instead it just faked out the previous H8 high and continue on down. So missed this one, but I was waiting for this move up here. So did not take oil. UK 100 broke out. I was waiting for it to fake out. DE30 actually might set up for me in a few minutes. I might check this out in about 10 minutes to see if it does what I want it to do. DE30, there was no setups for me at the moment, but I was looking for a breakout continuation setup. We have the monthly breakout level right here, and we've just faked out the previous week high. So what I'm looking for, not breakout continuation, I'm looking for a fake out continuation. There's a breakout, breakout reversal, false breakout, fake out retracement, and coming up here. If it's able to fake this out and come back down, this would be a fake out continuation setup. That's a breakout, breakout reversal, false breakout, fake out retracement coming up, faking out a previous high is a fake out continuation. So on the monthly levels, I'm looking for a previous week high fake out to take the move down. So that's what I was waiting for. It did fake out the week right here on a nice H1 bar, but this one did not close below the H1 breakout level. And on the M15s, I was watching it the whole time. There was only this one bar that closed kind of below it, but not really, didn't really convince me to take that. So did not enter, and there was no continuation of that move anyways. And then somewhere there was an inside bar right here, inside bar. Inside bars extend the range of the previous bar. And so once I saw that, I was not interested to trade inside this. Broke out over here, but faked out the H8 low. Needed to see a continuation below this to take it down, but did not do that. Ended up coming right back into the range. And then at the new H1, there was news, I think, on my calendar. There was news. News brought price to come up. And now it's actually in a very good position for me to look for a reversal if it wants to do that. But what I need to see is a fake out of the previous day high. And yeah, so waiting for a fake out of previous day high, and then I would see if the M15 breakout level reverses, and I would also take a look at where the H1 breakout level is. So we have 22 minutes until the new H1 candle opens. Here's the H1 breakout level. What I would need to see is a closure below this H1 breakout level to take it down. Either that or a fake out of this H1 at the start of the new H1 bar. Fake that out to take it down to the previous day high first, and then hopefully get a continuation down. But even if it does that, this is already past my session, so I won't be trading at this time. My session is only when two markets are open at the same time. So in Asia, I'm looking for Asia and Japan market to be open at the same time. That's when I'm looking for trades. And then in Europe, I'm looking for London and Tokyo market to be open at the same time. And I think Tokyo has just closed at this time. So no trades for me anymore until New York. And that is it. So took one on gold and I took one on Euro USD. Missed this one on oil. Was waiting for it to come up and fake out the previous day high up here, and UK 100 never set up for me. It was breaking out, but I was looking for a fake out or a continuation up, and it just ranged pretty much the whole time. So that's it.